Hey, Rick. Yeah, man, what's up? I thought y'all was leaving at 7. No, I'm down at the store in Waldorf. Oh yeah, you did send me the flyer. I wasn't even looking at that. I was trying to shoot at the store. Oh, so y'all over Southeast? Oh my God, I done rolled all the way out this joint, young. Gas is higher than a giraffe's ass. Damn. Yeah, we missed. It was a miscommunication, bro. It's all good. Yeah. All right. Well, when the next time you gonna be here? All right. Yeah, I guess I'm trying to pull back up. Man. All right. 1. Man.
That universal madness.